guys, welcome to this week's video. We're going to be looking at how to make your parry blocks even better, even stronger. Now if Chris comes up to me and I'm going to do a really nice parry block, put some...
Yeah, started.
Not working well, is it really?
No.
So I'm going to look at how we can increase this parry block, because it does work, and it does work well.
For me, it works. I've used this, though people will say it's a weak block. Yes, it is. But it's not a block. We don't like using the term block anyway.
Block.
It relies on you being able to move and redirect the energy.
Yeah, slight little problem with me, I think, now.
You have no energy. But we think, what can we do to make this better, we ask ourselves.
Well, there is an idea.
I like an idea.
I've heard. Right, so Chris is going to basically do a little pokage, and normally, usually this is it. If I bring the other arm in, I'm not using the hand, bring the other arm in, and all of a sudden I've got, come on, put some weight behind it.
You saying I'm fat?
Do you even work out? You've got that motion to come through. Now the great thing here is if I turn the crook, come down, I've now got, I've got the extra leverage. Just an idea. So for the first one, all I'm doing, and I'm not using any body movement at all, my backside is into the chair and I'm just using upper body strength. Look how Chris does it, and just watch his body movement for the first part.
You go that way so you can see. If I miss, he's missed. If you've looked at our Tao Shiwaza video, which will be ding, you'll recognise the foot motion. So I'm not relying on my cane doing the work. For me, I'm moving my body, my feet. This is just a precaution. If I'm up against the wall, I can't move.
Just to show you that it's not a person with a stick hitting you with a stick, I'm just going to use my arm. I'm going to try and grab Chris's chest. That's what I'm going to do. Got it?
Yeah. If you grab that...
Third time though.
Yeah.
That's third time, I mean, come on.
I mean, straight away if he comes in and...
If it's a punch, say if it's like it's a punch.
I mean, I'm going to be straight away breaking his wrist and smack...
Oh.
Yeah,
Don't like it.
No biscuits for me.
No biscuits. Oh.
But if I want to do the parry block, I'm going to do it left-handed. And...
That's your left hand.
Hidari.
Hidari.
So even if I do that, it's still quite an effort for me to do. So what I'm looking at doing is I'm going to brace it against my inner thigh. So I've got lots of...
Oh, jeez.
Do you even work out, bro?
My brake's on and you're moving my chair.
Exactly. So this on its own, it's not going to be effective if you can't move with the direction of the force. But just by lifting it slightly, bringing it around, and then from here I can do all the nice thing Kev's likes doing to me. Oh,
I have to find something to do.
Low strike!
Yeah, that's not going to work, is it?
No. So I'm using my body, I can use it either side. I've got a parry, but I've got it braced. Doesn't matter on the grip, from here, I've got the same action, but I need to use my body if I can't move quickly. And that's the key thing with this one.
Also, we're bringing the cane up from this position. If you've got your cane here and it comes through,
Yeah.
it's still the same principle for the block, it's just upside down. And if you use the other hand, down, come through. It's giving me the chance to have both hands on my cane. If this is an arm, I can control the arm.
Okay.
I'm then using this motion, which is a lot stronger than me just trying it with my wrist. I've got an arm bar, bring your arm in, mate. So from here, if I'm up to this position here, and I've grabbed here, I'm turning over, and I'm using the cane against my wrist to give me everything I need to come through. It's not a fantastic armbar, but it's changed his body position. I can now have a pull and then push, and I'm ready to engage again. So it's not a technique that's going to win a fight, it's not a technique that you go to straight away. It's a tool in your toolkit.
Yeah, I've actually used this block in a, I would say, bar altercation.
A bar altercation?
But I used a snooker cue. And somebody came at me with a snooker cue, and I just went, oh, parry block,
Yeah.
doink, little doink. It was finished after that. But it's very quick, and that's the other important thing. I'd have liked to have done a splendid, two-handed, powerful striking motion, but not the room, not the time. With the cue, it came straight up, and it was a nice little...
Wait, bring another martial art in.
Potted the balls. Yeah.
You've got the bonsai. So why not use the other hand to give further? So it's just a little thought, you can bring any martial art into this, and it's using an object, an arm, gives the parry through, use the other hand to reinforce, opens up for your strikes. Hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, we hope you like it, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you want to look as smart as we do, don't forget to check out the merchandise on Teesprings.
Check out our social media accounts, see what's going on in the world of uk.Cane.
Hit that bell and free the fear.